Alright, so I just replaced that weird shaped plug with just a standard plug. You can see it's just a standard plug. And connected, the gun is disconnected, but I just connected the trigger. I just wanted to test it. Power on. There's no noise, no sound at all. Then press the trigger. See, the motor is turning. It's funny how it's on camera. It looks like the gears are turning the other way, but as you can see, they are turning together. Huh, how weird is that? And the speed adjustment does work. This feels like a really good gun here. It's heavy. Not everything that's heavy is necessarily good, although that generally is the case. But everything that is light is garbage. That's a rule of thumb. See? Works just fine. So, just to show you how this works. So apparently the contactor, which is this thing, I just cut it out. Like I said in the previous video, the red wire is just left out. Apparently the contactor, it just turns the machine off completely while you're not welding. And then when you press it, it turns the machine on again. So otherwise, without the contactor, the machine is just continuously on. It's like a relay from what I understand.